this moment, we would like to invite Subodh Patil, co-convener IMBU 2025, and Jyoti Pahar Singh to join us on stage. Subodh and Jyoti have been working tirelessly to set up a few special interest groups on behalf of the IMB Alumni Association, and they're here to share some exciting insights with all of you.
Is Jyoti in the room? I think she's taking care of the next event and in the preparation of that. Okay, good evening. How are you guys? All good. How is the day so far? Big round of applause. Thank you so much. I'm going to quickly tell about the initiative, what IMBA is having, which is a special interest groups. In fact, it was a time after pandemic. It was a lull, and when we were doing online event, one of the kind of key thing which surfaced was we need to have a industry-specific or segment-specific events, and that is when the special interest group started. In fact, we used to call it as a LOI, Leadership Inside Out, and we thought under Leadership Inside Out, we'll take certain segments and have the event specific to that. Over the period of time, we renamed it as a special interest groups. Now, special interest groups' objective is, the alums across the kind of, from specific industry segment, horizontal, vertical, coming together, be together, interact with each other, and collaborate. Collaboration could be finding my co-founder, it could be kind of, finding my mentor, it could be finding a job, it could be kind of, really starting a new venture, it could be anything of that sort, right? And that is when we started with this idea of SIG. Some of the scope of the special interest groups is, of course, having the events like annual flagship event, half a day, either kind of convergence events or workshops, meetups, research activities, then industry visits, mentorships, and interfacing with some of the kind of industry bodies. Now, the scope of this, though it is being run by IMB Alumni Association, these SIGs are open for kind of outside industry members also, and that's a unique thing about it, because at the end of it, as an industry, it makes a lot of sense to kind of interface with other industry leaders or the industry players. So the first SIG what we started was a IMBA Mobility Special Interest Group. And we started this, as I said, this was the first event we did after pandemic. This was the first physical event which happened in the IMB campus. And some of the glimpses of this. Welcome, Jyoti, on the stage. Big round of applause for Jyoti. She was busy taking care of the kind of next activity, which we'll talk about. So Mobility SIG, this is a fourth year. Then we started second SIG, which is a IMBA BFSI SIG. So Jyoti was one who spearheaded it along with Alex. Alex, you are in the group. Alex is there. And these two leaders took up the BFSI SIG. This is third year of this particular SIG. Now, Global Mobility Summit, as I mentioned, it is in a fourth year. And we are going to have fourth edition of Global Mobility Summit, which is a one full day conclave summit, which is going to happen on 13th of September in IMB Auditorium. So last SIG had around, around 300 plus people coming together all across the industry. We had leaders, academicians, and the kind of, government body people participating in this particular event. This time, if you are from the mobility kind of industry, please make a note of this. Would request all of you to kind of come there. Your batchmates, friends, whoever might be interested in this, please kind of, pass on the information to them. That's a request from our side. And the launch of third IMBA SIG. There is no better kind of, place than IMBU to launch the third SIG of IMBA, which is the GCC SIG. How many from GCC here? Can you just show of hands? Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. So the interesting thing is going to be, we are going to have a GCC mini conclave as one of the breakout sessions between 4:30 to 6:30 in the same hall. Okay, and I'm so glad. Jyoti, you want to add something?
Really looking forward to it, and we would really urge everyone to be a part of it who are interested in, who are already there, a part of GCC, are interested to know what it is, whether it is a hype, whether it is really going to make the whole India GCC story so big. We have the lineup of leaders for the particular launch who will touch upon different aspects of it. And nothing better than this platform where we do have these varied, amazing leaders, each one of you like that, to be able to have those insights and discussions. One very key thing, it is not just about our leaders coming on stage and giving the insight. We are ending that session with half an hour of, all of the speakers being there on the table, giving you that one-on-one mentorship, that wonderful table mentorship, I think, which Harish and team had started earlier. So you can have a free-flow chat with everyone and ask direct questions and see where we are really heading. So look forward to seeing most of you out there. Thank you so much.
So we are planning to start new SIGs. This is our third one. Harish has given us a target that we should beat Harvard Business School, which has around 80 SIGs specific to this particular thing. And looking forward to support from all of you for that. Thank you so much. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.